He will enable you to accomplish the impossible.
Hi everyone. In this video we'll go through 1 marker questions
From Parabola.
The first one is, if length of the lattice rectum is 8, find the value of k. Right? The equation of parabola is given, x square is equal to 4ky. Length of the lattice rectum is given, which is 8. What is length of lattice rectum? It is 4 times a, right? And 4 times a, 4a is given as 8, right? It is given as 8, which means 4a is equal to 8, which means a is equal to 2, right? Now this equation is similar to x square is equal to 4ay, right? So they have given this equation 4ky. It is same as x square is equal to 4ay. What is the value of a? A is 2. So 4 into 2 into y. And you look at this equation. Look at this equation. It is x square is equal to 4ky. Now from both these, what can you make out? If you notice, x and x is same, y and y is same. Here 4 and 4 is also same. What does this mean? K has to be 2, right? K has to be 2 from these two equations. So k is 2. Now second problem. You need to find the length of lattice rectum of parabola given this equation. What is the length of lattice rectum? What is the general formula for length of lattice rectum? It is 4 times a, right? But we don't know the value of a here, right? We don't know the value of a. We need to find the value of a. What is a? Focus. The equation is given. Now from this equation, we need to find the value of a. We should write this equation in the form of parabola equation. How are parabola equations written? It should be like this, right? This is how the equation should be. Y should be on one side and x square should be on the other side. So now we'll shift it. We'll shift 8y this side. So we'll get 3x square is equal to minus 8ay. Now you should get it in the form of x square. Only x square should be there on the left hand side. Shift 3 to the other side. So you'll get minus 8 by 3 times y. So x square is minus 8 by 3 times y. Now look at this equation. Look at this equation, right? X square and x square is same. Y and y is same. What is left out? Minus 8 by 3. And here it's 4a, which means
minus 4a should be equal to
minus 8 by 3. Now the equation should have minus here because here you have minus, right? Here you have minus, so you should put minus here. Now if you look at both these equations, it is understood or it is inferred that 4a, this 4a is same as 8 by 3, should be equal to, right? This 4a should be equal to 8 by 3. Rather, I would say minus 4a should be equal to minus 8 by 3. If you look at both this equation, because x square and x square is same, y and y is same. So this portion also needs to be equal. So now when I say 4a is equal to 8 by 3, it means that a is equal to 2 by 3 when I simplify. Now in the length of lattice rectum, I need to substitute the value of a, which is 2 by 3. So I'll get 8 by 3 as the length. The third problem, find the equation of directrix, right? Parabola equation is given here. This is the parabola equation. X square is equal to 6y. First, you have to write the actual general equation of the parabola. Now, looking at this equation, the general equation would be x square is equal to 4ay. This is the general equation. So, what does this indicate? X and x is same, y and y is same. Therefore, 6 and 4a should be same, right? 6 and 4a should be same. So, 4a is equal to 6. Therefore, a is 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. So, I have the focus. Now, why I need to find the focus? Because directrix would be minus of the focus. So, whatever is the focus, opposite to that is directrix. So, if focus is 3 by 2, directrix will be minus 3 by 2. You need to find the equation of directrix. Now, equation would be, what is equation of directrix? Equation of directrix is, remember one thing, this y represents axis here. Y represents axis. So, focus is on y-axis. Now, if focus is on y-axis, then directrix is also on y-axis. Remember, right? Now, so equation would be y is equal to minus a. Y is equal to minus a, which is nothing but y is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the equation of directrix. If they ask just the directrix, then you can put minus 3 by 2. If they ask equation of directrix, then you have to put y is equal to minus 3 by 2. You have to put y. This axis needs to be put for this parabola, right? This is an upward parabola. So you'll have to put y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now, if you had minus here, just in case, if you had minus here, then it will be downward parabola, and this equation would be plus 2, plus 3 by 2, right? Instead of minus, it would be plus 3 by 2. Instead of minus, it would be plus 3 by 2, and a would be minus 3 by 2. The signs will change. In case there was minus here, the signs will change. Focus will become negative and directrix will become positive. Next one, if x square is equal to 6y, find the length of latus rectum. The parabola equation is given. You need to find the length. What is the length of latus rectum? Always it is 4 times a, 4a. Now, how do I know the value of a, right? I have to take this equation. Now, let's see what is the general equation for this. It is x square is equal to 4ay, right? Now, x and x is same, y and y is same. Therefore, 4a and 4a should be equal to 6. Therefore, 4a should be equal to 6. This should be equal to this. So, therefore, a is 3 by 2. Now, therefore, length of LR is 4 times a is 3 by 2. So, 4 into 3 by 2 is 6. So, this is the length of latus rectum. Next one, if length of latus rectum of this particular parabola is 4, find k. Now, length of latus rectum is given here. Length is given, which is 4, right? Length is 4. And what is the formula for latus rectum? 4 times a. So, 4 times a is 4. Therefore, a is 1. So, we got the value of a. Now, what is the general equation of parabola? General equation is y square is equal to 4ax. And what is the equation they've given in this problem? They've given y square is equal to 8kx. Right? Now, we have obtained the value of a. A is 1 here. Right? So, I'll substitute. So, it will be 4 into 1 into x. So, I'll get y square is equal to 4x. Now, you look at this equation and this equation. Y and y is same. X and x is same. Therefore, what does it mean? It means 8k is equal to 4. Therefore, k is equal to 4 by 8 and k is half. Right? This is the value of k. Now, next one. Write the equation of parabola. Vertex is given 0, 0. Focus is given. Now, first see which coordinate has the value. This is the x coordinate. This is the x coordinate. This is the y coordinate. So, the focus is on the x-axis. Whether it is positive or negative, it's negative x-axis. That is this part, right? This is all positive x. This is all negative side of x, right? Here you have all negative values and here you have all positive values. So, this is where the focus. What is the value? Minus 6. So, somewhere here, minus 6. Here you have focus. Now, what does this mean? If the focus is here, what does it mean? There is a parabola around it, right? Around this focus, there is parabola. That means it is left-handed parabola, right? And what is the equation for left-handed parabola? It is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Why minus? Because obviously focus is negative. Since focus is negative, the equation also will have negative here. So minus 4ax. Now, I know the value of a. This is the focus, right? This is the focus, which is minus 6. So I put 6 here. A becomes 6. Right? I put 6 here. Don't put minus 6 here. Don't put minus 6. Because equation already has minus here. Right? This is always the confusion we get into when it comes to focus and directrix. In the equation itself, there is minus sign. So don't put minus 6 here. Put only plus 6. So I'll get minus 24x. So y square is equal to minus 24x. This is the equation. So with this, we've come to the end of this particular video. If you've liked this video, do press a like and share it. Thank you.